Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning all.
Morning.
Today we will continue our reading lesson. Our material today is about descriptive text. Today Miss will use only PowerPoints and videos. So please pay attention and not the important things. Okay? Descriptive text. Anyone knows or has heard of descriptive text? And descriptive text is text that contains an explanation of how a person or an object or place or phenomenon. And the type of the text that describes or a person, object or place, so the reader can imagine as if what so told is really real. Nah, jadi descriptive text itu merupakan menjelaskan sesuatu yang dimana sesuatu itu berupa objek, tempat, kemudian bisa hewan dan lain-lainnya. Dan di sini contohnya misalkan saja kita mendeskripsikan sebuah benda yaitu pensil. Misalkan pensil itu warnanya apa, panjangnya bagaimana, kemudian bentuknya seperti apa. And next, what is purpose of this descriptive text? And the purpose is to describe and express or describe the characteristic of people, objects, animals, places, and others. Nah, jadi di dalam descriptive text terdapat dua generic structure. Yang pertama, identification and description. Nah, jadi identification itu adalah the initial part of descriptive text. Identification lies at the beginning of the story or the beginning of the text, which contains whether living things, places, or inanimate objects to be explained. Jadi, identification itu merupakan sebuah teks yang dimana mengawali dari descriptive text tersebut. Misalkan mengenalkan suatu pensil ini punya siapa, belinya di mana, dan lain-lain. Kemudian yang kedua ada description. Nah, description itu contains an description of something related to the description of something in question. The description will contain more information related to the object or place to be explained. Jadi description itu lebih mendeskripsikan dari benda, tempat, atau yang lain-lain tersebut. Jadi identification itu biasanya terletak di awal kalimat atau awal teks tersebut. Nah, sedangkan description mulai dari bagian tengah atau mulai dari mendeskripsikan suatu barang tersebut hingga akhir teks tersebut. And next, immediately we enter the example. And I have the example. The title is The National Monument. It is an example of descriptive text that explain the place. So, from the example, the National Monument, from the National Monument until Indonesia's independence, there is identification. And the last sentence, the last paragraph, it is description. And continue with next example, there is describing people, where there is an identification and identification. Jadi di sini sudah ada keterangan identifikasinya dan ada keterangan deskripsinya seperti apa kalimatnya. Okay, we move to just watch the learning video about descriptive text to better understand. So, pay attention and not something it is the important. Okay.
has a very clean environment with an extensive parking lot and ceremonial grounds. My school has 3 main buildings for student learning purposes. The beautiful nature of Indonesia. Indonesia is a country with abundance of nature.
Okay, from the learning video that you show, it is very clear and the example is clear. So, kalian bisa lihat contoh-contoh yang sudah saya berikan, yang kalian tonton tadi merupakan contoh-contoh dari macam-macam descriptive text, mulai dari tempat, kemudian mulai dari pakaian, kemudian dari orang, kemudian dari benda dan lain-lain. So, please remember from the 4 points that I said earlier and from the learning video that I was shown. Later, we will practice looking for identification and description in descriptive text of any form. So guys, any question for today?
No.
Okay, berarti semua udah paham tentang descriptive text tersebut yang sudah saya jelaskan tadi. Nah, that's it for today for learning. And wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.